Good morning, children. Here, till chapter 8, you have studied about Mahatma Gandhi's movement, means Gandhian era. Then you read about Subhash Chandra Bose and his Forward Bloc and INA, Indian National Army. This was the time when our struggle for freedom was at the peak. Now comes the final phase of our independence and the partition of India in chapter 9. Now see, the introduction was in this way. Second World War was ended in 1945 and which was the time for our Indian freedom struggle, which was at the highest peak. During this time, you have studied about Quit India movement, INA, Muslim League was not at all ready to compromise. You have studied during interim government. Then Wavell also proposed some changes, but it was not accepted by the Indian leaders. Then it was opposed by Congress because it did not promise total independence, and Muslim League also did not accept it because there was no promise for separate land for them, that is Pakistan. So some events were there for which it was decided by the British government to send cabinet mission to India. What were the events? Changes in Britain. USA and USSR, they became the big powers after the Second World War, as well as they supported India's demand for freedom. Simultaneously, Labour Party came in power and Mr. Clement Attlee became the Prime Minister who was in favor of India. Then in administrative agencies also revolts were there in India, just as you studied about the efforts of INA leader Subhash Chandra Bose. In Navy also there was misunderstanding between the Britishers, just as the Navy never wanted to remain in India, so they told them to transfer powers to the Indians. So many agitations and attacks were there which made it possible to govern the colony. Then mood of Indian people, they were fully confident regarding their freedom, as well as they were fully determined towards their mood. They never wanted to tolerate any humiliation by the Britishers, as well as only one demand was there for freedom. So many strikes were there in telegraph office and the postal railways. Maximum of the people, they were not paying the taxes, as well as struggle for land and against high rents were there, which made the British government realize that now we cannot stay here for a long time because Indians are not in favor. So they decided to send one committee to decide how the power should be transferred to India, for which cabinet mission was sent to India. Now Clement Attlee, which I told you, the new Prime Minister, he sent cabinet mission to India. It was 3-member body: Patrick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps, then A.V. Alexander. Then it had so many plans, later on we will discuss, but he declared that we will quit India, leave India by June 1948. That is why this announcement became historical, because first time any one British person, they talked about the freedom of India. It had so many recommendations, among which the most important was that India should have their own constitution, for which, first of all, they have to make their constituent assembly, for which interim government was set up in 1946. Now, causes for the cabinet mission plan. So many clauses are there. One by one we will discuss. Federal union means two types of government, central government as well as the princely states, or you can say the state government. But the main parts were kept in union government, just as foreign affairs, defense and communication, finance. Union has only the executive and the legislature. Provinces were given full autonomy for their own purpose, not for the union parts. Then, grouping of the provinces means some of the states were grouped in such a manner which was not accepted by anyone, such as Hindu majority place in group A, Muslim majority places in group B, and where both type of people were there, Hindus and Muslim both, they were in group C. Then they said constituent assembly has to be made for making of the constitution. So it was made. Then separate presentation was given to the Muslims and the Sikhs. For that they were ready. Interim government at the center would be formed with 14 members. Then India had a choice to join or not to join the Commonwealth, and it was said that the treaty would be signed between the Indians and the Britishers while transferring the power. So these were the clauses, but the Congress, some parts they were ready, just as Constituent Assembly and Constitution, but grouping of provinces was not accepted by them, as well as they rejected the equality which was given to the Muslim League with the Congress. So as first of all, Muslim League, they rejected the cabinet mission plan because they did not find anything regarding Pakistan. But later on, when they saw group B, the Muslim majority parts were in one place, so they had an idea that we will have some time one part which is known as Pakistan. So my dear children, here the half chapter is completed. Next part we will do in the next period.